so funny.
It's mine.
Huh?
So good.
Nope.
Don't do that. It's not good. You need to ask me first.
I'm sorry. Can I eat that cake?
Of course.
Nope.
Bingo. Hey, Bingo. Don't litter.
Let me be.
Ugh.
Ouch! Help me.
Are you okay?
It's so hurt.
Don't litter anymore.
Yes, I promise.
Bingo, you forgot to turn off the tap. Turn off the tap.
Okay. Oh my eyes. Let me help you.
Okay. What's that? Oh no. Bingo, you need to remember to turn off the tap.
I got it.
Stress. Why haven't you finished your homework
Why can't you pay attention like
You should try
anyone else?
harder.
You're not as fast
This
as me.
is not good enough.
I'll do it instead.
It's not that hard.
You always take so
You're
long
just
to
being
decide.
lazy.
So stuck!
Mimi, what's wrong? What's wrong, Mimi?
Oh my god.
Fresh!
Stress. What's going on here?
I have too much homework and no play time.
Mimi, stand up.
What's wrong? I'm tired.
Okay, Bingo and I will bake strawberry cake by ourselves.
Where's me?
Eggs. 1, 2,
I'm
3.
little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout.
Powder.
When I get all steamed up,
Sugar.
hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
Are you feeling better now, Mimi?
Yes, I feel full energy
Little
now.
teapot, short and
Balance is the
stout.
key, Mimi.
Here
Time
is
to
my
tackle these
handle,
homework
here
battles.
is my spout.
Chess is no more. Ha ha ha, so fun. Not now.
Hey, don't play while charging. It's dangerous.
It's fun. Just a little longer.
Huh?
Bingy, time for dinner.
Coming. Oh no! Mommy, help me!
Oh no, Bingy, stand back. Be careful. Bingy, never play with your phone while charging. It can start a fire.
I got it. Mom, I won't do it again.
Nope.
Watch me.